Heartiest congratulations, Vidit, for finally cracking your dream NLU. How are you feeling?
It's really good, firstly, and kind of unbelievable because when you start the preparation, you're not sure whether we'll be able to crack it or not. And then coming 7 months from the start to the end, coming here, giving this interview,
It's like a
it's
dream.
like, yeah,
A
oh,
dream
finally I
come true.
achieved it.
Right, right.
When we saw other last year rankers giving interviews, we were like, I have to come here one day or else I'll fail. Or
So you manifested it and
yeah.
here it is, right?
Yeah.
And आपकी family का क्या reaction था as soon as they got to know?
I mean, my mom was like, "Tera kaise ho gaya selection? You were not that serious." And I was like, "No, I was serious. I was just not showing it." And my sister congratulated me. She kind of believed in me that I can do it.
Okay.
If you just like focus on it, you will be able to crack it. And then,
Definitely. And here you are now.
Yes,
Right, right. So, with it, take us through your journey. How was it when you started your CLAT journey and now finally that you have aced it?
So, firstly, I was a dropper. In 12th, I had not known that an exam like this existed. So, I was not preparing to like give CLAT. But till the time I knew that this exam was there, last year the registration date was over. So, I thought, yeah, drop should be the option. When I came here in April, my batch started, and I was like, these are the subjects I can. I was strong in my vocabulary was good, so I was strong in the first three, all the reasoning section. But I knew that maths was like not my cup of tea, so I'll have to prepare,
True.
give a couple of months there. So I was like, थोड़ी थोड़ी सी preparation चल रही थी बाकी दिनों में तो, but maths I was focusing more on. So yeah.
And how was maths then? Jab you started, you started
Yeah.
your coaching. How teachers helped you in that?
Ritesh, like with his tricks and all, I was like, oh, you can do it this way. It's not that lengthy, and all of a sudden, I'm able to do those calculations.
There's this thing where students they fear essay. There's
Yes.
no need. It's basic maths with just some tips and tricks. You can
Anyone can
definitely
do it. Even if you're very weak in maths, even if you're strong in maths, it doesn't matter. You have 7 months, you can easily ace it, and you can score 12 by 12 or even approx 9.
Okay, and
Yeah.
what was your approach when it comes to GK, when it comes to legal? Like last year से GK का बहुत होने लग गया था, right?
GK
So इस साल GK की क्या strategy रही आपकी?
GK में तो I was like very scared कि I have not completed enough, I have not completed this, that, notes रह गए, CLAT Express revise करनी है ये सब. But I think GK is such a vast topic that you cannot clear it completely. So I was just focusing on CLAT Express. From April to November 1st, I did all the revision, and then from Jan to March, the important topics list was there. So I did that, and some important topics I had like note down from the notes.
Class
notes, yeah. So I just revised them, and it was
It's like
okay.
sticking to the best of the sources, and
Yeah.
then you're all good to go. Because
Yeah.
eventually, even some of the questions also came from directly from
Directly
CLAT
from
Express.
the passage, so
Yeah, definitely.
and from CLAT Express as well.
Definitely,
So, yeah.
right. And how was your approach toward the remaining sections like
Topics.
legal and?
My main strong base was my reasoning section.
Okay.
80 marks. I was confident that if I just put in the efforts, I'll be able to easily get around 70 marks from here. And yes, I did get there.
Okay.
The legal was a bit tough for me in the starting phase because the options were kind of confusing. But logical and English was like, yeah, walking the park.
Legal, I feel you get with the flow. Yeah,
Yeah.
you get to know the basic concepts and the basic laws that are there that are generally asked. Though इतना detail में आता नहीं है. Now that passage based हो गया तो कुछ भी आ जाता है.
Yes.
But I think you must have been fully prepared by this time. The
Yeah.
number of mocks you guys have given.
We have given so many mocks, so many lengthy mocks, such hard options that when we are giving the paper, we're like, अरे ये कैसे आ गया?
ये कौन सा mock है?
बात कुछ और थी, बताई कुछ और गई.
True.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Right. And
so good preparation.
coming to the part you just mentioned, your reasoning section was good. So इस time student का this year, especially in GLAD 2025, जब analytical का question आ गया, what was your reaction?
I had not seen that. I was just going through a paper. I missed that. So, like, my strategy was a bit different. I used to do some portion from this section, from this, that. So then, when I reached analytical, I was like, "ये कैसा आ गया?" And I had
Am I
around
giving CLAT or ALET?
yes, ये कैसा हो सकता है? And I was very scared. So I thought, यार ये तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी. तो फिर I did the remaining sections first, so that I could give time to it, and then before maths I started doing this analytical, and then this question was kind of wrong. So I was like, मैंने अपना time भी waste कर दिया, and this is not giving me answers. I was kind of scared, but ठीक है, I thought छोड़ो इसको, मैथ्स पे आते हैं.
Okay, and
So-
one approach with it you had, जो you got it from your teachers, your mentors, that really helped you in acing your dream NLU.
Staying calm and not like messing around with hard questions. First, do the easy topics first. I was kind of doing this mistake in my mocks. I was like giving 5, 7, 8 minutes for like one question, one mark. I was so wasting so much time. So I thought this is not worth it. First, do the easy ones. If time is left, then I can attempt it. I should not bother with this question because it will end up losing on those easy marks. I will end up
Right,
losing.
right. And staying on a
Yeah.
particular question actually waste a lot of your time.
Yeah.
Right, right. And now for those students जो अब क्लैट 2026 के लिए प्रिपेयर करेंगे, what is your key takeaway? क्या आप उनको बताना चाहोगे कि भाई ये तो करना ही करना?
आई थिंक जो टीचर्स बता रहे हैं यू हैव टू स्टिक टू इट, क्योंकि उनको बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, वो सालों से बच्चे निकाल रहे हैं, और आपको कोई डाउट भी आ रहा है कि मेरा होगा या नहीं होगा, तो इट्स टू अर्ली फॉर दैट. इवन इन जस्ट अ डे बिफोर क्लैट एग्जाम यू हैव टू स्टे कॉन्फिडेंट कि मेरा तो होगा, बाकियों का नहीं होना चाहिए, मेरा हो जाएगा. यू हैव टू गेट दैट माइंडसेट एंड आई थिंक रिविजन, नॉट टू मच स्टडीज बट एटलीस्ट 1 hour a day. You can do that in the starting phase and slowly and gradually increase it to 5 to 6 hours a day. It doesn't matter कि आप कितने घंटे पढ़ रहे हो, आप कितनी इंफॉर्मेशन जमा कर पा रहे हो, कितना आप अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर पा रहे हो मॉक्स में, दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स द मोस्ट.
Right. And
Yeah.
finally, ये जो आपकी जर्नी रही है उसका क्रेडिट किस किस को जाएगा? डू लेट अस नो.
Firstly, my parents,
Definitely.
my friends as well, and then to all the faculty of law prep, because from where I was एकदम सड़क से उठा के स्टार बना दिया मेरे को. एंड पता नहीं, मतलब I was not that great in maths and GK was like, but जावेद सर ने जो टॉपिक्स भी बताए थे, इतनी सारी लाइव स्ट्रीम्स कराई, मैराथन्स, उन सब से I was like क्या अब तो हो जाना चाहिए, अब तो इससे तो क्या ही पूछेंगे.
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah,
मतलब
so-
इतना होता है तो लगता है कि हाँ ये तो इनमें से ही आएगा, कुछ आएगा.
इतने सारे मॉक्स दे दिए, जो डाउट था हाथों हाथ क्लियर भी हो जाता था. टीचर्स वर ऑलवेज देयर.
Right.
टीचर्स
Now, I also believe our teachers at LPT, apart from academic support, उनका emotional support बहुत ज़्यादा होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Is what I have observed staying here. So,
Yes, ma'am.
what role did they play apart from academics in your journey here?
I think they kind of motivated me as well. I was feeling a bit low when my marks in mock were not good. I used to like feel like, oh man, I think I'll not be able to crack it. Then the teachers did help me. They showed their faith in me, and they kind of motivate that we have expectations from you. You should do it. You can crack it. You're just not putting your efforts. So I was like, yeah, if they're showing the faith in me, so I cannot let them down. Anupama ma'am, Sonia ma'am,
Right.
Megha ma'am, everyone.
Right.
So
right.
they were showing the expectations. They had expectations from me, so I couldn't let them down.
Definitely. No,
Yeah.
but you have made all of us really proud
Thank
with
you,
it.
ma'am.
And I wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a nice day.